right, good day everybody. It's Charlie with the Stout Realty team here in Central Florida. Today, in celebration of the Bengals going to the Super Bowl, we're going to be making Skyline dip.
All right, first thing that you're going to want to do is preheat your oven for 375. Next thing you want to do is you want to take your cream cheese at room temperature. You're going to spread that evenly onto the pan. All right, once you have that cream cheese spread thoroughly and even, then you're going to want to pour the chili on it. Some recipes tell you to heat the chili before you pour it on. I don't think it's necessary. I just pour it on directly. Just pour that whole thing, and then you're going to spread that out evenly once again. All right, I pulled the chili out of the oven. Now I'm going to add the cheese. We're going to put it back in the oven for another 8 minutes or so to let the cheese melt. Once that cheese melts fully, then you can pull it out. I am originally from Cincinnati. I am a lifelong Bengals fan, and this dip is as easy as it can get. It consists of 3 things: shredded cheese, cream cheese, and a can of Skyline chili. All right, now I'm gonna put it back in for another 5 to 8 minutes. All right, once the cheese is finally melted, just pull it out, let it sit for about 5-7 minutes. Let the cheese harden a little bit, and then eat it. All right, once it's cooled off a little bit, it's ready to be served. I recommend Fritos. I also do it with tortilla chips. It's just whatever you have around the house. As this is my first YouTube video, I know it's gonna come across as a little blotchy, but I assure you it is well worth trying to make this Skyline dip. It really, truly is delicious. Please let me know what you think about it in the comments down below. Take care, thanks.